gone from March weather to July weather, back to March weather. We had some reports of frost last night. We're going to go from winter to summer, and it really all has to do with the river of air way above our heads. It's called the jet stream.
And there's a cloud, and if it would just go behind the cloud for just a minute.
But you guys don't sweat, right? You're glowing.
That's right.
You know, when we talk about tree houses, this is literally a tree house. You know, the best place to view the weather is high atop the Ferris wheel. Finally.
Sunshine.
Yes, I had to go find my sunglasses and blow the dust off and started sneezing.
Me too.
If you want to stick around after the weather forecast, you're going to watch me make a fool out of myself as I go down this slide here in just a couple of seconds.
Man, that barely made it. Don't break the ride. Don't break the ride.
When we talked last night, I was a little nervous about today and the 3-degree guarantee because the clouds stuck around a little bit longer. But the sweating and the anticipation today, it paid off. We went for 65 yesterday evening for today. Our high 64. So we get the green check mark and add another $50 to the piggy bank for Come Together, Let's Walk.
This is a WAND Storm Center 17 weather alert.
Good evening. It's a little past 8:45 right now. No severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for central Illinois at this time, but we have numerous flash flood warnings. Let's get right to live Doppler 3D Max. You can for central Macon County. Anybody within the red shaded box here, that would include areas just to the east of Macon, the Mount Zion area, Hervey City. Take US Route 51. If you live to the east of that in the city of Decatur, you are underneath a tornado warning. Ed is on the phone. Ed, thanks for joining us this evening. What are you seeing? Because you're right out in the heart of this thing.
Yeah, I'm out here right next to the PPG plant.
Let's go ahead and move to our safe place. Safe places to go. Basement number 1. If you don't have a basement, an interior closet, or get to the hallway as well. And then kind of get another indication. This is 121, the airport, which is located right in that particular area. There's a stoplight actually bent over. That's at the corner of Maryland and 121. That's right there by the airport. You can see that area of circulation on the particular radar. Again, red going away, green coming toward the radar. That's indicating that circulation there. I had to show this camera one more time. Check out the beautiful sunset in our live WeatherBug camera at Warrensburg as we're looking off to the west. A couple of high clouds out there. And then orange glow, red sky at night. Sailor's delight. Should be a quiet night across much of central Illinois. A wide range of temperatures today as we saw a lot of clouds in our eastern counties, a lot of sunshine in the west. 72 in Jacksonville today, 71 degrees in Springfield. Decatur up to 64. Shelbyville we popped up to 68, but only 57 in Danville and 59 degrees in Paris. The good news is we are finally done with the rain. We're going to turn the spigot off. It looks like over the next 7 days. Only 4 days of the 16 days in October have been dry here in central Illinois, and you can take into account then we start talking about rain. That means we have clouds, and finally we're going to talk about a stretch of sunshine that's going to last for quite a few days. Lows overnight tonight drop back to the upper 40s to near 50. Friday, a mix of sun and clouds. We'll start with beautiful sunshine in the morning, but it becomes breezy by late in the day. Our weekend outlook, wall-to-wall sunshine from Saturday through Sunday. High temperatures go back into the upper 50s. Notice the warmth that is built in well out to our west. 83 right now in Tulsa. It's 77 in Kansas City, but 65 in Peoria, and only in the upper 50s right now in Indy and in Louisville, as we've got a lot of clouds that are still present there, and even some on-again, off-again showers from Ohio back into western Indiana. Back at home tonight, though, our temperatures again still range from the upper 50s in Danville to 68 now in Jacksonville, 67 in Springfield. Lincoln, we're at 66 and 60 degrees in Effingham. Satellite radar in motion. Notice the back end of the clouds now have moved to the east of I-57, so Danville of Paris, also into the Ashmore area. Yes, we're finally going to clear it out, but unfortunately, I don't think we're going to see much sunshine. So the sun has gone to bed in our eastern counties. Sunset tonight at a little before 6:15, but we'll see a star-filled sky out there tonight with a couple of high-thin clouds as our next weather maker is quickly on this one's heels. Thank goodness this area of low pressure moved in because it gave a kick to that upper level disturbance. It's been basically sitting there and spinning the last couple of days. High pressure will continue to slide to the south. As this frontal boundary approaches overnight into early tomorrow morning, there's really not going to be much fanfare associated with it. The atmosphere is very, very dry, especially at the surface. So the only reason why with this front that we're going to know it goes through is because early in the morning tomorrow, the winds will start out of the west, and then by later on in the day, the winds switch more out of the northwest. And check out these white lines. These are isobars, or equal lines of pressure. When they stack in tight like this, it means very breezy conditions. We'll have wind gusts tomorrow evening of 25, maybe up to 30 miles per hour, with a couple of clouds drifting through by later on in the evening. We'll start the day on Saturday. There's a weak disturbance that will pass just off to our northeast. So if you draw a line from Bloomington, Champaign, Paris to the northeast, a couple of clouds early in the morning, then turning out to be a mostly sunny sky by the afternoon. Week 8 of high school football. Can't believe only 2 weeks left until the playoffs. 60 at kickoff tomorrow, a partly cloudy sky. Breezy though. We'll see some wind gusts out of the northwest up to 25. Overnight lows tonight, upper 40s to around 50 area wide. Not bad for this time of the year. Daytime highs tomorrow climbing back up right where they should be in the mid to upper 60s. Your forecast from the Storm Center at WAND. The sky continues to become mostly clear. We drop back upper 40s to around 50 with the wind out of the south at 5 to 10. Our Friday features a lot of sunshine in the morning, so grab the shades and don't forget that light jacket. 63 at lunchtime. Winds swing around to the northwest, sustained at 15 to 20, gusting to 25. 66 the high, and the sun goes to bed tomorrow night at around 6:13. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by St. Mary's Hospital. We're back in the mid to upper 50s on Saturday and on Sunday. A little warmer, but another system arrives. It'll be dry on Monday with a mostly cloudy sky. Upper 50s to low 60s with beautiful sunshine Tuesday through Thursday.